Wide beaches, clear water, stream hiking and a very high rock jump. We're in Sai Kung and this is Drone and Phone. Okay, welcome to our last episode in the kids' adventures. We're here at Hampton Beach, which is the wrong place, right? Who got it wrong? George got it wrong. We're going to go hike over there to Sai Kung and we're going to do a stream hike. Hopefully get very wet and have a little bit of fun jumping off rocks. Come on, let's go. Oh, you look tired. Come on, let's go. As the summer holidays kick in, finding things to do with the kids can be a challenge in Hong Kong. It's hot and often wet, but there are still activities you can do outside that will keep the children out in the fresh air. For this series, Alyssa, Austin and I have picked 5 of our favourite outdoor adventures. For this final adventure we start at the Sai Kung ferry pier and catch a speedboat over to Hampton Beach, where the kids love the adventure of flying through the waves on choppy waters. George is not finding the whole experience quite so much fun. Once on solid ground in Hampton, we gather our gear together and head up along the coastline back to Sai Kung. Although we had intended to arrive directly at Sai Kung, the 45-minute hike along the rocks is well worth it, if only for the stunning views across the beaches of Tai Long Wan. Once we arrive back on the beach at Sai Kung, we put on our safety equipment and head up the Sheung Luk stream through the water. Where's the crocodile? There are a few great natural pools for swimming and rocks to scramble before reaching the Sai Kung rock pools, where, if you have a head for heights and a little bravery, you can jump into the water. While Austin was a little cautious, Alyssa went for the highest jump. How was that? Is that a good jump? You're crazy! Once the kids had enough of the rock pools, we went back to the beach, where there are restaurants and refreshments, before jumping back on the speedboat to go back to Sai Kung. Now, as with all the episodes in this series, we highly recommend, if you're not experienced and feel very comfortable in these kind of situations, that you hire a professional guide to take you, who will ensure your safety, or of course sign your kids up for one of the group activities that do this kind of thing. Also, be sure to make sure they have the right safety equipment. For this, our kids have got helmets and life jackets. This just gives them that extra bit of protection. That's the end of this episode, and in fact the end of this series. How was it for you, Alyssa? Yay. How was it for you? We love the speedboat. She did a huge jump. Now stay tuned next week while these two will be summing up the best of the adventures that we've done so far. For now, please like and subscribe wherever you see this. My name's DJ.
My name's Alyssa. My name's Pizzeria.
And this is Drone and Phone.
I holded him. He's my best friend, and I put him into the water. Goodbye.